What if your pool could monitor its own water and adjust chlorine automatically? Meet the FinWhale Smart Chlorine Dispenser, a smart, solar-powered pool system designed to take the guesswork out of pool maintenance. Hi everybody, today I have something that is going to make any pool owner's life a little bit easier. We're all used to one of these. Put the chlorine tablets in there, and you really have no control of when and how much it dispenses of the chlorine. So I'm a big proponent of having the least amount of chlorine as possible. So this really doesn't help. This is the FinWhale Smart Chlorine Dispenser by SunnyWhale, right here. So it is solar powered, but also comes with a charger in case you need to. But again, unless you have rain or cloudy days for more than 1 or 2 days, you shouldn't need to. But it all comes like this. This is the display or the buttons. Again, to connect to Wi-Fi, telling you whether it has run out of chlorine or if it is out of the water, and you can control all of that also from your cell phone, of course. And so right here is where you put the tablet. It has a child-proof lock, so you have to twist and turn it. And here you can put up to 6 different tablets. It works with the standard 1-inch or 3-inch chlorine tablets. Right here. And once you have them all set up, again, you can put a couple more and put it right here. Make sure that it is on the right spot. All right. All right, there is the lock position. It comes with this little protector right here. You just screw it out and put it back in. If you are going to take it out of the water for a long period of time, it is recommended that you put a little bit of either pool water or just regular tap water, just a little bit, and you put it back there in the sensor. Now, you just put it right here in the water. Right here, put it right here. We'll start communicating with your phone and sending all the signal, sensing. It will test the level of chlorine in the water, and depending on that, it will release the chlorine that is inside. Again, depending on the parameters you're set up, or if you put it on automatic. And again, it is solar powered, so technically you don't need to take it out to charge it. You can take it out of the pool if you are in it or not. It depends on you, if whatever you like. But again, we just leave it there floating, and it should do everything that we need to. It comes with the user manual, and it also comes with the year warranty. And all you have to do is scan the barcode and you're good to go. From the app, you can view free chlorine, pH, ORP, and water temperature. And again, it's working 24/7, even at night. It has a little battery in there, so it will charge during the day, work at night too. If there is extended cloudy weather or your pool is heavily shaded, you can use the included backup charger. It monitors your pool water and automatically adjusts chlorine delivered, helping reduce constant testing, guessing, and unexpected green or cloudy water. The setup was much easier than expected. From the app, you can view free chlorine, pH, ORP, and water temperature. There are no plumbing changes or complicated installation. So again, if you are into the least amount of work possible, if you are into taking care of your pool automatically and without using any electricity or anything else, anything you want to just put there and leave working, like, my skimmers. I just leave them there and they're working, solar powered. I don't have to worry about it. Again, now your chlorine dispenser from SunnyWhale, it's one of those tools you want to have. So I hope that you guys find them as useful, as hands-free as I do.